Ready? Ready? Ready, Mom? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Put it up. Ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Go.
If I go up, I won't be able to see your feet. I think Daddy's dying of anticipation.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
Do this one. Just put your legs out. Spread your arms out. And this one's a yummy one. You always do that to Daddy.
Okay, alright, I just ate. I
always do that to my daddy. Oh. You like doing that?
Okay. Alright, that's enough.
Yes.
That's enough. Little jackrabbit.
Mom, do one of this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm choking Daddy. Can I let you do videos after this
Yeah.
in the living room?
I think Daddy's dead.
Yo! Did you take it?
Yeah, Zoe, yes.
Okay. That really hurts.
You are weird.
Now we did videos.